I put my foot in the stirrup. She's still not upset, so I'll go ahead and get up, and she's not upset. She's letting me know that she can handle me getting on. And then I'm here. Whoa. 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 This horse had trouble standing still. Whoa. Now, if it was a horse like maybe Tug would get tight, so maybe when you went like this, he might lift his neck and get tight. So you would stay like this until he relaxed, then you would take your foot away. Then you would start again. Grab the mane, grab the back of the saddle. Adam, pay attention. Grab the back of the saddle, and then maybe try to put a stirrup in. If he got tight, you would stay here, or if I'll make her move. If he tried to move, you would move like this with him till he got still. You keep him from running off by having this little bit of rein tightened up. Not tight, but just ready to pull up if you need it. Then when he relaxed, you would take your foot away. And you would rub. You'd start all over. Again, you'd be watching him, see how his face and body were. If they stayed relaxed, you might could get up like this, and if he was still okay, you might stay there a minute, and you might pet him, rub here, because you can get off like that in an emergency. So you just do it a little bit at a time, watching your horse and watching his expression and his tightness. When he's relaxed, you can get on. And you don't even have to throw a leg over. You can throw the leg over, and you can come right back off. You can do that as many times as you need to. You can do it overkill. You can't do it too much. That just helps the horse be desensitized to getting on. Okay.